Alright, we are here in the parking garage in front of Dillard's Women, and today is Halloween. What a better way to celebrate, which is not actually a celebration, but we have a Schindler elevator here that we're going to take. We are going to the Twilight Zone on the second floor. So, here we go. The Schindler 330A. Wow, this cab is clean. Let's close the door and we'll get a cab view before we go up. Now the doors are closed. Interlock is shut. Now let's get a quick cab view going up. Before going up. Here's your cab. Here's your inspection certificate up there. This is a very nice elevator. This elevator is well cleaned. First Calling Mall did a really good job maintaining this elevator. That is so awesome. And here are your fixtures right here. HD Premium. Alright, we're ready to blast off to the Twilight Zone. Here we go. Alright, here we are at 2. And we're about to open to the Twilight Zone. This is where we are on the Twilight Zone level, on the second floor. Because, see, look how dark it is. See, this is on the second floor. Too bad there are so many lights, which it's better to use the lights. And make sure if you're in a Twilight Zone, a very dark area, make sure to bring your flashlight with you. This is just a quick reminder. Now, the Twilight Zone music is going to start. So we're now in a Twilight Zone. We're in a big, dark sky up here. This is where we are. Twilight Zone. So that's the big dark sky up here. I know people are going to be scared of the dark. And now, this is like outer space to me. Which is actually not for Halloween. Outer space is only like for science, which this is a Halloween celebration. Which I don't know if it is a celebration. But just viewing the Twilight Zone. This is how dark it is. And make sure if you're at home, make sure to turn off the lights so no one could come into your house and go trick-or-treating. Make sure if you're in a, once again, if you're in a dark area, make sure to bring a flashlight. Over there's the MPE over there. There's like 3 man-powered elevators and 1 electric elevator over there. Alright, now we're going to head back down to the parking lot on the first floor. Now we're done with the Twilight Zone view, and we are now going back down to the first floor. I hope many of you guys heard about the Tower of Terror, which I am way too scared to get on. Emma Robertson, I noticed that you are scared to be on high places. I know that Emma Robertson, you're scared of the Tower of Terror because that elevator dropped down really hard. So I recommend not going. So with that being said, let's go back down. And here it comes. Hope you like that Twilight Zone music that just played. And here it is. I guess this elevator goes down automatically, because nobody even called on 1. Let's close up the door, and while we wait, we'll get a cab view. This elevator goes down automatically by itself, straight to 1. Here's your view of the cab. Very clean, actually. These are your fixtures right here. HT Premium. Here's your phone right there. Firefighter's information. I wonder what's that idling noise. Probably it's the fan or something. I guess this elevator is not going to go down. It may take a while. Well, if it doesn't go down, though, we'll start the elevator manually. Here's your indicator right there. Directional lanterns. This is very big for a passenger-sized Schindler. Very well cleaned. They even had a brand new ceiling tile. I guess this elevator not going to go down automatically, so we'll take it down to one. Oh, now we're moving. Interesting. Just takes like a minute. What do you think about this elevator, Emma Robertson? Probably this looks like a freight elevator. And it stops on one of the door. Whoa, re-leveled. That was weird for a Schindler. Now the door won't open. Very interesting glitch for a Schindler. Alright, let's open the door. And get out and end the video. There it goes. And that's it. Happy Halloween, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this Twilight Zone video. So with that being said, make sure to bring a flashlight with you when you go outside tonight. And before you cross the street, make sure to look out for cars. Always look both ways before you cross the street. So with that being said, happy Halloween, and that's it.